Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to change name of collection on TikTok. So first, just simply open up the TikTok app, and from here, guys, just simply go ahead and tap on your profile at the bottom right, and from here, just simply go ahead and go to the save icon over here, and now from here on your save, just simply go for the collections. And now here on your collection, just simply select your specific collection. And now from here, you should be able to see the share icon on the top right corner of the screen. So just simply go ahead and tap on that. And from here, you should be able to see here, guys, change name. So just simply tap on that, change name. And from here, you should be able to rename it based on your preferences. Let's say I'm going to go for collection, hope, for example, and tap on check. And from here, make sure to save it. And now once it is saved, as you can see, it will be a change name. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.